Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome back to another tutorial. Can you guys tell I love this look? Like, I am in love with this look. Okay, it's like intense, it's fierce, okay, it's dramatic, it screams my name. Like, I am loving this. Okay, it looks intimidating, but it's not actually intimidating to do or to wear, I think, if you're not scared of colors, that is. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and I'll see you in 2 seconds. Alright guys, so we're back for the tutorial. Excuse the messy hair, okay? I don't know, I'm gonna put it in a bun or put in a wig at the end. So for now, ignore it. So I have my eye base, which is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I have my concealer around my nose bridge, which is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C13. I have my eyebrows, they're not sisters or twins, but it's fine. I'm going to ignore them because I don't have time for it, okay? And I'm going to move on to the eyes. So, I'll be using the Movie 35B palette. This is like one of the best palettes ever. But I don't tend to use it that much because I know it's discontinued now. So if you don't have your hands on it, it's kind of hard to get your hands on it. But there are other dupes that you can use as well. I am going to be using... For my first shade, I'm going to be using this purple right here, and then I'll blend this purple pink right next to it, and then we'll see what's going to happen. But I'll just start off with this one right here. I'm just going to take a flat brush, like a flat top brush, and just stamp that in there, and then stamp it right in my crease. I'm taking the same brush and I'm just like stamping around the edges of that. Not really blending, but still at the same time blending it slightly. So just stamp around the edges like so. It just diffuses the color out a little bit more. And then I'll take a pink, which is this bright pink right here. You can tell it's very much used and abused because I love it. I'm gonna put that in my crease above the purple. Okay, I'm gonna use this baby pink color. Like, it's so soft, it's like a little soft baby pink. And I'll dust that just around the what is it called? What is it called? The brow bone area. And see what that looks like. It's not very promising though, I'm gonna be honest.
So you're saying this now.
So now I'm gonna go with the pink shade that I was using, the one that I love. I'm gonna take that on a small brush and start blending into the crease. Now what I'm doing is I'm basically going in with the colors that I was using. So the pink and the purple, and then the pink, and then the really soft pink, just to blend this out and make it really seamless. So right now I'm using the purple, like just blend it in there, just to build it up, you know. Yeah, baby, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Now I'm using the pink shade. I know the lighting is going to change throughout the tutorial. It's going to go, sometimes it's going to be a bit darker, sometimes it's going to be a bit lighter because I'm playing with exposure, because I feel like right now it looks underexposed, but I'm not sure what it's going to look like on an actual screen, you know what I mean? But then if I put it on the other one, I feel like it's a bit overexposed and I might just look washed out because these lights already wash me out as it is. So I don't know, but I'll just leave it here for now. So I'm putting the yellow just around the inner corner, which is from this palette, the 35B palette. Just a little something. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this purple, which is right below this one. Oh, I turned it upside down. So I'm gonna take this purple and then I'll put a little bit of black. So the purple is gonna be in the crease and outer corner, I'll put on the outer corner as well, and then the black is gonna concentrate mostly in the outer corner and just halfway on the crease. Yeah. I'm gonna take a small round brush, so pop that out here and then work my way in gradually, just patting it in as well. I'm starting low because it doesn't matter if it gets on my lid because I'll clean that up, but I don't need to go too high in my crease. Okay, blend the edge of that with the purple that we were using, the first one, just slightly, and then I'll put the black right here, just right there, and then I'll blend that out with the previous brushes. I'll clean up the outer corners using my micellar cleansing water and a Q-tip. I look like a panda. Seriously. We will see. Okay, I'll clean it up, put something on my lid, okay, and see how it's going to look, because right now we look so unblended. We look so much like I just got punched in the eye, but with a full glam, like a full glam punched me in the eye, but it didn't go as it should go. Oh God. Okay, so I'm gonna put my crease, and I'll use my NYX jumbo pencil and white eye base, also by NYX. Once you get to the outer corner, you want to tap that out with your fingers or with a brush if you wish, just so you don't have so much product here, because if you do have too much, the product is gonna cling onto it when you're blending it out. I'm gonna take my purple shade and just start working that in to the outer corner at an angle, just patting that in gently onto the base. Now for the exciting part, which is the lid, I am gonna put these pigments on. They are so beautiful. Okay, so they're from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and this is their pigment. This one is the, what am I trying to say? Loose pigments from Makeup Addiction, and this is in the shade Sweet Kiss, which is the purple shade, and I'll put that right here just to connect it with the purple, and then to transition that I'm gonna use this Valentine pigment as well, which is a pink one, and that will go right next to it, so like in the center of the lid. And then my favorite pigment is the one Purest. It's white and it has like a blue green, like it's just, the reflect is so beautiful. When I put on my eyes, you're gonna see it like perfection. And I'll put that in the inner corner of the eye. Alright, I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer, which is just a clear glitter primer, and then I'll take my brush and just, you know, pat that on the eyelid before I put the pigments on, just so they'll have something to stick to. Oh guys, look at this, like the pigment is so beautiful. Oh, do you see this? Like beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna use Cashmere Rose instead, which is this color. It's like a pink but a bit richer. So I'm gonna use Cashmere Rose and put that where I put the Valentine color, which was the light pink color. I'm not feeling that right now. Okay, I'm gonna go put some lashes on, and then I might possibly do my face off camera, because I feel like this is really long, like it's a really long tutorial. So I'm gonna put my lashes on, put my face on, and then we can do the under eye. Yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and quickly did my face, and that's just not looking like healthy at all. But I'll set it in place, everything is melted. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do what I did to my crease. So I'm gonna put the purple, the deep purple, and then pink to blow it out, and then the black just on the outer corners. I'm gonna blow the primer. And I'm gonna, once I come into the inner corners, I'm gonna bring that down to open it up a little bit. So I'm just bringing that to an angle, like so. I'm going to take a little bit of the glitter glue and put it right here in the negative space that I left. And then I'm going to put the Purest pigment, the one that I put right there. I'm going to put that in the negative space just to connect them. So for my lips, I'm thinking either these two to make a nude, like a really nice gorgeous nude, or should I just go for the purple one? Like, I know it's there and okay, it's extra, but I really want to grab it. That's a beautiful color though. Maybe, you know, I'll let that be. I'll just go for a nude one, because you know, I feel like that is that intense as it is, you know. I don't want to make this too dramatic for you guys, you know. I want to make it natural. So I'm gonna use my Hank & Henry lip aesthetics in Gang Gang and what's it? Commandre. So this is a brown color. That's what I'm going to use as my lip liner, and the really beige nude color that will go in the center. Actually, instead of Commandre, I'm gonna go in with Pedal Pusher. I'll put that in the middle because that's pink, so it's gonna go with the little purple, with the pink and the purple in the crease in the eyes. If I put that in the center, I feel like it's gonna match more, so I'll put that in the center instead. No, I want something lighter. That's nice, but I want something a little bit lighter, so I'll go in with Liqueur, which is a soft baby pink. I'll put that in the center because I want it to be a bit lighter. That color was darker than I thought it would be. So basically I went in with Gang Gang, which is the brown one, and then I went in with Pedal Pusher, which is like a rose tone nude, yeah. And then I went in with Liqueur, which is a soft baby pink color, and I'm gonna put some lip gloss on it. Actually, I'm putting Orel, which is a pink gloss on top. Wow, Jace. Wow, I'm using everything literally. This is the one. This is the one. And the blue in it, kind of bluey. It's like it goes with my inner corners, you know. So this is it for the finished look. I hope you guys liked the tutorial, you enjoyed the tutorial. It wasn't too bad, too hard, you know, too all over the place to follow along. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the look, and subscribe, which I'll also appreciate. And you can hit the notification bell if you wish, so you can get notified every time Moa uploads a new video, which will be very much often, and share it with your, you know, friends, families, grandparents, everybody. We all like, you know, we all like makeup. If they don't like it, just share with them. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, and I'll see you in another video.